Look at this, guys. The new /goal has been running for 15 hours and 30 minutes. Now, a couple of things to note about this. Number one, the goal is extremely vague, right? Number two, I don't know if I'll stick with any of this code because it's very, very hard for me to verify over 15 hours of complicated back-end coding. Number three, I'm only paying 20 bucks a month for this, which is just absolutely absurd. You wouldn't get anywhere close to the amount of use that you would here. So look, I literally just hit my my usage limit just here. So what I could do here is I could log out and change to API usage, but I mean, that is just absolutely insane. 15 hours of running for, you know, really, really complicated backend changes, which honestly, I'm going to look through with Claude and I'm going to see what it's done and see if we can, you know, manage to keep a lot of this. So yeah, if people don't know about this just yet, this is a pretty big thing that is going fairly viral on the internet. Now, apparently it's like basically OpenAI's version of Ralph Wiggum loops inside Codex, which is super interesting. People are saying this is really, really good, right? So yeah, just so everyone knows, this is basically only available inside the CLI. It is not available inside the app, unfortunately, just yet. Now, the way that I got this is I just went on Codex and you just go up here to settings, right? And then configuration, open config.toml. And then all you need to do is just add this line here. Let me just find it. So yeah, so it's under features, goals equals true, and then just save it. That's literally all you have to do, right? And then you have access to this incredibly powerful new feature. Now, obviously, I have run out of usage, as I showed you at the beginning of this video. So it's going to be very, very hard for me to use it here. But basically what you do is you write Codex. And what I did was I just gave it an incredibly vague prompt. I think it was something like, you know, help me make agency like ready to release to the public, right? So /goal, that's all you have to do. And then just give a vague goal that you want for your app and then literally just leave it, right? Now, obviously, I would probably recommend having either Ultra or whatever, I don't know, Pro, I think it's called. You know, the $100 plan, you'd probably be able to run this 24/7, knowing OpenAI. I only have the $20 plan, and I have to say, if I was on a budget, I would probably be using Codex with GPT 5.5. I don't rate GPT 5.5 as much as I do Opus 4.7, but seeing it run for 15 hours on a vague task for my app is definitely very, very interesting to me. Like, that was not possible before. I think the longest I've ever seen an app run is probably something like an hour and a half, right? So yeah, obviously this is not the best test, I have to say, right? I didn't give any tools to check anything. I gave it a very, very vague prompt. I actually forgot that I had even, you know, used the command, right? But its ability to run for that long is rare in AI, so I have to say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little check here with Claude Code and just go through everything that was done. And I'm going to start to kind of understand, you know, what the hell it even did for that long. So it was working towards a goal, which was to get agency, which is, I'm basically working on agency inside Harbor, to a point where I can give it to people, I can push it to people, and people can start using it. So I actually have a dev branch, which I can test everything on, right? I actually don't know when the last deployment was. It's been a while, I think. Oh, no, it was 1 minute ago. So this was probably Claude pushing, right? So I'm going to actually see here, once this finishes building, what's been built and whether or not Codex basically just one-shot 15 hours of work. Okay, so we have agency trial here. That's really, really good. Nice. Okay, really nice. That's really, really good to see. So we have agency HQ here on the side. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask Claude to tell me what to check. This is really nice. This is new. This is super, super new. This is much better than what we had before. Wow. So it was working towards a goal. This is actually quite exciting, guys. This is like, yeah, so it's like Ralph Wiggum loops, which I was not a fan of because it was done by, you know, an amateur, done by a, you know, $1 trillion company, given to us at 20 bucks a month. Starts to sound interesting, guys, I'm not gonna lie. So this is how I kind of do all my checks, all my sanity checks, I think they're called by Claude. Basically, I'm just going through everything and I'm just seeing, what is going on here and, whether all the changes are actually good or bad, right? Okay, so it says if I add a keyword here, it should, okay, there's no data. That's probably because Search Console isn't connected. Okay, so we have this dashboard here. This is a proper account that should have everything connected. So let's go to a client, go to keywords, and let's just let's remove this first. So these are tracked keywords. So if a client asks you to work on a keyword, right, you can start to track how well or how badly the keyword is doing, basically. So that's now working. Beautiful. Look at that. So Cesare Attolini 10.9 is the position. So this is basically just Search Console data, obviously, but still really, really interesting. Okay, so we have new sections here. So content goals. This has also been implemented properly. This should go into, and also target keyword seeds. Very, very nice. So like if they're trying to rank for Kiton, then you can add the keyword Kiton. That should be saved. Let's have a look. Yeah, it did save. So that will be fed to the keyword tools, right? So if a person's client is trying to specifically rank for a specific keyword, this isn't a Harbor ad, by the way, guys. I'm just verifying Codex has actually worked on these things independently of me. Then it will basically add those target keywords into the discovery. Same with content goals. If they're trying to help me rank for Kiton, which is literally all this client cares about, right? Then it starts to, shape content around Kiton. Same with these should all be fed into the writer, which is really, really nice. We've got personas now, style guide, which is really, really important for clients. Yeah, so if we run a discovery now for this client, so this should work, it should be very, very Kiton specific. Okay, so you can see here a lot of these are Kiton related. So Kiton, Kiton, Kiton. So that's now working. Super, super nice. Very, very useful as a feature because obviously clients will come to you. They'll say, I want to rank for this keyword. You don't want to just rank for random keywords. So once you've got that information from the clients, you can now put that into Harbor. Codex did that completely independently, again, with a very, very vague instruction of just helping me get agency ready for launch. I'm going to go through the writer right now, but I'm going to guess that works. Really, really nice. So billing overview, if I go back on Agency HQ, okay, so I'm not actually on a trial here. That's because I'm already an agency account, so it's kind of hard to do that, but I'll test that another time. And then we're getting more into the Codex changes here. This is 9,308 lines of code that were done by Codex while I was sleeping. So agency autopilot, look for a button from triggering autopilot runs. Autopilot settings, okay. Very, very interesting. I'll need to test all of this in detail, but yeah, this should, if I'm not mistaken, be automation. Okay, so this looks like it works with Copilot in order to help you automate, a day's work for a client. So let's see if this is working properly. So show me my agency clients. Let's see what happens here. This should render a card inside the chat. Okay, nice. What's my work day today? Like, what should I work on? Basically, let's see what this comes out with. So this uses the Claude Agent SDK, in case people are curious. Really, really interesting. Look at this. So Codex basically just ran for 15 hours for me, like for $20 a month, guys. Do you know how insane that is? Do you know how absolutely insane that is? That's just crazy. Let's do audit HarborSEO.ai. Let's see what this comes out with. Get active site, list sites, found this. Okay. Site health audit. It's now running the site health audit. Wow, really, really cool. Really, really cool. Okay, so it's still running, so we'll leave that for now. What did we deliver to client X? Okay. Create client, delete client, agency. Okay. Portal sanity. I can't really test the portal right now. Wow. I mean, seriously, just guys, if you're on a budget, forget Claude Code. All right. Go and get Codex. Codex CLI with /goal working on existing projects to bring new features. I wouldn't be surprised if it could one-shot any new feature. Now, if you want a new feature, be specific, but if you want to work towards a goal, which I think is more interesting, like, you know, help me get this ready for production or whatever, in my opinion, that's where this is really, really going to shine. Now, I did use extra high for this, or X high, and I just let it run, and I'm super, super impressed with the result. Now, if you do want to go check out Harbor, guys, I'm pretty much ready to release Agency, and then the next big thing that I have coming is Harbor Build, which I'm still working on, but basically it will build websites, which will all be tied together, where you can build websites for a client, put them inside Harbor, and then run the entire SEO program from here. Likely the price of Harbor will be going up eventually as well. So just to help me pay for API costs, basically. So go and check out Harbor at its current pricing. If you sign up, guys, I will not change the pricing on you. So go and check it out now. There is a free trial that you can get. And yeah, like I said, once you sign up for this price, I won't be putting it up. So there's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go and check out HarborSEO.ai. Codex/goal is completely absurd. That's probably going to be the title for this video, guys. If you are watching until the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.